snack today: almond butter and just strawberry jelly jam, right? And this is strawberry jam that I bought, and the almond butter. And I do this usually, just mix it up. It's like a, I feel like protein and sweets, so it's really good together. Super good. All right. You're getting protein as well as the carbs, quick carbs to deliver to muscles. Not that I'm lifting weights right now, but that's good. A steel lord of iron. My snack today is almond butter and strawberry jam. Almond butter and strawberry jam, super good together, right? You get a little bit of strawberry jam. Hard to do this on. You get a little bit of almond butter, right? You do this, strawberry jam and almond butter, super yummy. Let's see if we can focus it. There you go. Oh, it did. It didn't, right? And it's crunchy almond butter. Very good.